To fight the spread of infection from human contact, many institutions are taking measures to disinfect and protect people. HypoTunnel, a disinfection tunnel with a built-in disinfectant generator, produces and sprays an effective but mild disinfectant on people. This has been developed by Pristine Water with its extensive experience in disinfection. This system not only sprays the disinfectant but also produces its own disinfectant using the built-in HypoGen disinfectant generator. The disinfectant is produced by the electrolysis of salt solution. Just put some salt in water and switch on the system. The salt is converted to a hypochlorous solution with traces of hypochlorite. This is a very safe, broad-spectrum disinfectant against bacteria, virus, molds, fungus and other pathogens. The disinfectant produced is pumped through a high-pressure pump and sprayed. The spray is a fine mist that ensures that no disinfectant enters the eyes, mouth, ears or nose. The advantages of the HypoTunnel are: there is no need to buy and stock expensive chemicals. You can achieve the correct concentration of disinfectant each time for the safest disinfection experience. It totally eliminates the possibility of using other toxic and unsafe disinfectants. There are multiple nozzles provided that atomize the disinfectant for proper coverage, instead of pouring it in at one spot. The fine mist does not wet the people passing through but offers complete coverage. The spray in the HypoTunnel is controlled by sensors that switch on only when there is someone, thereby preventing disinfectant wastage. HypoTunnel is provided with anti-skid aluminium flooring with adequate drainage to prevent waterlogging. Many other features like a lighting inside the tunnel, hand sanitizers at the exit and wheelchair-friendly ramp makes the HypoTunnel by Pristine Water the most user-friendly disinfection tunnel in the market. The HypoTunnel is ideal for offices, schools, colleges, apartment buildings, shopping malls, places of worship, transport hubs and other places with a high footfall. Sodium hypochlorite and hypochlorous solution are recommended and approved as excellent disinfectants by leading health agencies. For further information, please visit our website or send us an email or call us at the number provided on the screen.